everyone. Today we will start a new coding journey with each other, and we will start our coding journey with a very famous question. You also know what is programming language. First of all, we take a scenario before talking about this question. You also know a human being use our language to communicate with each other, because without a language or without a medium, how human beings exchange their emotions, how how human being exchange their thinking, what he think, what he want to say, what he want to convey to the other person. So we will also need a language to communicate with the machine. Understand? We will also need a medium. We will also need a medium by which we can convey our message to the machine. Understand? Means if we want to perform a logic of addition, so how we can say machine that you can perform the addition of two number, then to convey this message to the machine that we want to perform the logic of addition, so we need a language at this place to perform the action, or want to convey the logic. Means when we want to convey our logic or want to give the instruction to the machine that what he need to do. Understand? At this place we need a programming language. Understand? So programming language is a medium between the human beings and the machine, by which human being convey their logic or convey their message to the machine, and machine then perform action according to the message, according to the logic, according to the syntax given by the human being to the machine. This is the main thing where we can use, where by and where we can use the programming language. Understand? Let's move further. Our next question is, what is a Java and why we can use Java? What is Java? This is also a very good question. You also know something about this. I'm just thinking that what is Java? You I think everyone know Java is a programming language. And which type of programming language Java? Java is a OOPS OOPS based programming language. And if I am just want to know that what is the OOPS, so you also know OOPS is a object oriented programming language. Means Java is completely focused on the classes and the objects. We will also discuss in detail about classes and the object in the future videos. Okay, first of all we need to know about who is the creator of the Java. You also know about uh, a company named as Sun Microsystem, which can create the Java in the 1995. Or you also know, in the starting ages of the Java is not named as Java is named as Oak. I am just writing this. In the starting, Java named as Oak. Okay, then after, Java is named as its original name, which is Java. And in starting, Java is created by the Sun Microsystem. A Sun Microsystem is a electronic based company who can create the Java. And after that, Java is taken over by the Oracle, and now all the all the things related to Java is doing by the Oracle side. You also know. And if we will discuss some more things about Java, what is Java, how we can work on Java, and what tools and what thing we need to collect or install in our machine to run Java in a system. You also know there are different type of systems and there are different type of OS installed in these systems. uh, we will follow the Windows installation. During our installation process, we will something discuss about what are the environment setups and what are the things we need to gather to run the Java in our system. You also know about something JDK. JDK is defined as Java Development Kit. Okay, this is the complete package of things which we need to collect or install our system to run the Java. Understand? And rather than this JDK, we also need a IDE to write our code or to run our code. We can use different type of JDK note. We can use different type of IDEs available in the market, which is named as IntelliJ IDEA, Eclipse, NetBeans, or we also know a famous IDE which is named as VS Code. We can install any type of these IDEs in our system. After that, we also need to know what types of we need to know what types of applications created or developed by the Java. There is a lot. There is a simple answer for this question. You also know we can able to create desktop applications by the help of Java. If you want to know what is the desktop application, you also know there are lot of applications available in our system. As you know, we have a PowerPoint, we have a Chrome application for desktop, we have a WhatsApp application for desktop, and many more applications available in the desktop. So these are the desktop applications, and we are able to create these type of application by use of Java. And we are also able to create the web app or web application. If you want to know what is the web application, you also know there are a lot of websites, there are a lot of web pages available in the market. These web pages and website we are also able by creating by the Java L. And by the Java we can create different two type of scenarios by using Java. We can use Java as backend, and also we can use Java as full stack means we can use Java for both front end and the back end. We can use JSP pages, Java MVC to perform the full stack operation, and we can also use Spring Boot to perform the backend only backend logic. Understand? We are also able to create enterprises application. We can also able to create the apps by using the Java. We can also use Java in robotics and game development. There are different type of fields which we can develop by using the Java. Understand? And there are lot of features also available in Java. As Java is a secured language, we can further discuss in detail about what are the applications and what are the features of Java in the future videos. First of all, today today video motive is to introduce about Java. What is Java and what is the programming language, why we can use programming language, what is the what type of application we can create by using the Java, and what one more important question is left behind before these questions. You also know about what are the prerequisites of Java, means what things you need to know before learning Java. I think there is not a rocket science to learn Java. With my experience, I am just saying you need to know something about the basic of the programming languages and what things are considered as basic, as you know something about C, then you know what are the syntax in the languages, and you know what are the for loops, what are the if else cases, how we can declare a variable, and what are the return types, and what are the exception handling. If you know about all these topics, then it is easy for you to learn the Java in the very efficient way. And if you are not know about this topic, then there is not any problem, because all the things we can cover during this tutorial. You can follow the things step by step, and at last you are able to know all the major topics and the minor topics of this Java development. Okay, so I hope you can follow this tutorial and learn all the things which we can discuss during this tutorial. Okay, thank you. We will connect later in the next video.